Hi, everyone. I'm Sandy Wolfram. I'm the Director of Development for ISSA Charities. For those of you who don't know, ISSA Charities is a philanthropic arm of ISSA, and we are a 501c3 organization, and our programs and missions support the cleaning industry. So we have 3 signature programs within ISSA Charities. One is Cleaning for a Reason. The dollars that come in go to help cancer patients through free professional home cleanings. The ISSA Hygiena network supports women and diversity, equity, and inclusion and helps them to advance their careers. And Issa Scholars supports students' dreams for a college education through scholarships. So within those programs, we are supported through generous company and individual donors. We can't really do our meaningful work without our donor support. So right now, I wanted to let you know that we are in the midst of our annual giving campaign until year end. And we're looking for donors like you to support our important work in the community. So please give in whatever capacity you are able. And right now we're at 11,000. So as you can hear, we do have some work to do. And I wanted to really talk with you today and let you know that we would appreciate anything that would come in regards to our mission and supporting the work that we are doing out in the community. So Cleaning for a Reason in particular, there are 16 million cancer patients in the US undergoing cancer treatment, and the patients experience financial, physical, and mental hardship, and having to deal with that, we like to be able to relieve the burden of the cleaning of their home to the cancer patients fighting for their lives. So again, very important for us to be able to clean as many cancer patients' homes as possible and impact their lives in such a positive way. So your donations will help us do that. And then in regards to ISSA Scholars, again, exceptional students out there are wanting to continue their education and may not be able to without help. So that's where we come in and we actually help them fund their education and their dreams of a career in the future. So we hope to increase the number of scholarships next year to 135 through your generosity. We were able to support 100 deserving students last year, and our future leaders really need your help. So I wanted to also let Felicia let you know a little bit more about the Hygiena network and our work there.
Hi, I'm Dr. Felicia Townsend, the program director for the Hygiena network. The Hygiena's mission is to provide programs, tools, and support that help women in the cleaning industry to advance in their careers. I want to give a special thank you to all of our corporate sponsors who gave in 2021. I do want to share with you some wonderful news about what we accomplished through the Hygiena network with your generous sponsorship. We increased our conference attendance by 118% over last year, with 566 people attending 3 virtual conferences. We increased our webinar attendance by 300%, with over 1,200 participants attending webinars presented by industry leaders. In addition to that, we also launched our regional communities on LinkedIn, where we now have 7 regional communities comprised of women and men from across the country. These folks come together, they network, and they share resources. We also have a very dynamic mentoring program that has brought together men and women from across the country to connect with each other in one-on-one mentoring relationships. We also implemented our exclusive mentoring program, which allows all of our corporate partners to participate by having their employees serve as mentor and mentees. These programs are important as we continue to advance women in the cleaning industry. We hope that you will support us in 2022. And we also hope that you will support us by year end by giving. We appreciate your support in all of these programs, And we hope that you will continue to give and help to advance women in the cleaning industry. Now, back to Sandy.
As Felicia said, we thank everyone for your donations if you have given already, and we ask you to consider giving to us again. Please help us increase our capacity and impact by giving today at issacharities.org. ISSA Charities, and the people we serve all thank you in advance.